In this video, I'll show you how to add an admin to a Facebook group in just a few simple steps. If you manage a Facebook group, adding another admin can help you manage members, approve posts, and control group settings more easily. First, open the Facebook app and go to the group where you want to add an administration. Once you're on the group page, tap on the group name at the top to open the group details. Now tap on members to see the list of people in the group. Find the member you want to make an admin. Next to their name, tap on the three dots. A small menu will appear with several options. From this list, tap on Make Admin. Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Confirm, and that person will become an admin of the group. They will now be able to manage group settings, approve posts, and help moderate the group. And that's it. That's how you can add an admin to a Facebook group. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.